Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video will be a beginner's guide on how you can sign up on DoorDash, get approved and become a driver. Becoming a driver on DoorDash can be an excellent way for you to be making some extra money on the side. If you work an 8-hour shift delivering food on DoorDash, you can be making somewhere between $100 to $200 depending on how long you work and how many orders you get. I'll be guiding you through the entire process on how to sign up and get approved, etc. step by step. Please make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on anything. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go and download the app from Google Play or App Store. It's available in both. And you'd want to include the DoorDash Dasher. You don't want to download the normal food app as this is a little bit different. As you can see, this is its logo. Make sure to go ahead and install it on your device. Now, one thing to note guys before we continue is that DoorDash is not available in every single country. So if you would like to use the application to order food, or in this case to become a driver and deliver food, you need to make sure that you live within the countries where the services are available. So as of right now, this is a list of the countries where the services are available. So if you currently live in one of those cities or countries, you can go ahead and download the app and become a Dasher. Now, once you've downloaded the app, you can go ahead and open it. This is the main menu that you're going to be getting. Just keep in mind that DoorDash is going to be asking you for a bunch of information. They're going to be doing a background check, and this is all just for legal and safety reasons. So now you get these two options to either become a Dasher if you're completely new to the application, or if you already have an account on this application, not the food ordering one, you can go ahead and sign in. We're going to become a Dasher, so we press on this button. Now it's going to ask you to put your postal code right here and then press next. So go ahead and get your postal code, paste it in here and then press next. The next step is that they will ask you to put in your email address. Just make sure that if you have a college issued email address, you may be eligible for future offers. So if you're still in school, you have a college email, you can put that one in so that you may be, able to benefit from these future offers. I don't have a college email, so for now, I'm just going to put in my own email address, as you can see right here, and then press next. The next step to becoming a Dasher is that they will ask you to sign up by using your phone number. This is where you put in your phone number and then they will send you a verification code where you're going to have to copy and paste it later. So I'm going to do that now. After that, this screen should show up where it says you're in. Let's get started. This is where the app starts asking for some information. Some of the information will be a little bit sensitive and they will do a background check on you. But DoorDash is a very credible and trustworthy organization. There should be zero problems with this. This is just for safety and legal reasons. So you're going to go ahead and put your legal first name first and then your legal middle name, which is also required. If you don't have a middle name, you can choose no middle name, but if you have it, you have to write it. And then you need to write your legal last name. And for creating your account, you make a password and then you confirm your password and press next. After that, they will ask you for your vehicle details. They will ask you which type of vehicle you use, which is basically asking for which type of vehicle you will be using to deliver food. If you use car, then select car. If you're in a motorcycle, select that, or whatever type of vehicle that you use, a scooter or whatever. After you choose that, click on continue. And now this follow-up screen should show up where you put even more details about your vehicles. For example, and for this example, we used car, make, so the company of the car like BMW, Nissan, whatever it is. Select the model and then select the color of the car. If you have a vehicle insurance, press yes and then hit continue. Now keep in mind that DoorDash does require a vehicle insurance and there will be a insurance requirement where you can read here. You can pause the video and go ahead and read the whole thing. Once you've selected that you have a vehicle insurance, press on continue. So now we get to the part where we'll be giving some sensitive information over to DoorDash and they'll be doing a background check on you. This is to make sure of the driver's identity and to make sure that everything is okay, to protect their clients and for safety reasons. Now, DoorDash is a credible organization with millions of clients and millions of drivers all around the world in many different cities that they operate in, and this should be completely safe for you, so do not worry about giving over the information. So the first thing that they ask for the background check is that they ask you to put in your driver's license state. You select which state you're from, and then the driver's license number, the month, day, and year. This is for your birthday actually. So just put in your birthday. and then they ask you for your social security number. And once you've entered everything, they will run a background check to help ensure the safety of Dashers, customers, and their merchant partners, as I told you. So once you've put in everything, press on continue. So once you've put in that information, they will ask you to check if your information is correct. So you can read an example that I made. So for example, the driver's license state, California, your driver's license number. Once you click on the hidden thing right there, it's going to show you your number so you can double check it. Your birth date, your social security number as said. And then you can go ahead and read the background check disclosure, additional disclosures, and authorization which you will be agreeing to if you continue to sign in to become a DoorDash driver. You can also ask to receive a free copy of your background check report. If you want that, go ahead and check the box and then press on continue. After that, they'll be asking you on how you want to be getting paid, either instantly or weekly. So you can get paid after every dash by signing up for a free Dasher Direct business visa, and they will give you your prepaid debit card, or you get the weekly payment, which you will be getting paid every Monday using any bank account with the option to cash out once a day for a $2 fee. Choose which one you prefer and then press on continue. You can also choose to choose later. Now, if you chose the option to be getting paid instantly, you will need to apply for the Dasher Direct. Well, they'll be giving you a Dasher Direct business prepaid Visa card account, and you will have your own debit card, which you can use to cash out. The advantages of doing this is that you get free instant payouts, you get 2% cashback on gas anytime, there are no annual fees or interest, and no credit check required. Then it will take you to this page where you have to apply for Dasher Direct. It will ask for your address. This is just an example. So for example, 60th Street, your apartment number or suite, the label, and the state, which is New York in this example, and your zip code. Once you've entered all that information here, you press on continue. Once the background check is approved and your account gets approved, you will get the following notification where it says, "Congratulations, you're approved and ready to dash." You won't have to wait for your physical Dasher Direct card. You can simply download the Dasher app and start earning. After your first dash, you'll be able to immediately access your earnings through your Dasher Direct virtual card until your physical card arrives. In the case that you chose to be paid weekly, you will have to enter your new bank details. And for security, DoorDash won't be able to deposit any earnings to a new bank account for 24 hours. So you'll have to wait a full day before they deposit your earnings. You will have to enter your new routing number, your new account number, and then once you get those, you press on submit. Once you've entered the information for that part, you will also be getting the welcome page where they tell you that if your background check is approved, that you can start dashing and making money, and you will be getting paid either weekly or instantly according to the option that you chose. Now, another cool thing that DoorDash offers is that they send everyone a welcome kit. The welcome kit includes a red card and an insulated hot bag so that it keeps the food warm when you deliver it. All you have to do is just enter your address and they will ship it to you. And with that, guys, we will have reached the end of this video for today. If you have any questions regarding DoorDash, make sure to leave them in the comment and we'll be responding to them. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content similar to this one.